Hi everyone, welcome to this session where I'll show you how to install and uninstall NB extension in Jupyter Notebook. But before that, what is NB extension? Well, it's NB extension are notebook extension of plugins and it make life easier when working with Jupyter Notebook. So for that purpose, we will install NB extension plugin. So let's start. So what I'll do, I'll go to my command prompt and open it. And here is the step that we will follow. Okay, step one is to install. So what we'll go, before that I will just show you my Jupyter notebook version which is I am using, and I will install this plugins. Okay, so these are the versions. Okay, now I will install pip install Jupyter contrib NB extensions. Okay, now what I will do, I'll go cmd and then I'll say Jupyter notebook. So if you see here, in case when we are installing the NB section, after this like a separate tab NB extension will come over here after the cluster tab. In our case, still it's not coming, right? Now pip install and then we need to just see what I'm doing here. Jupyter NB extension convenient disable options there, right? So in our case, we need to do enable. For our now we'll go to our Jupyter notebook here and we'll still it's not coming. Let's see again. We'll trigger it again. Now you can see this NB extension is coming, but the options are not coming. So in order to get all the options here, we need to run the second command here. This everything here. This will not take much time. Yeah, this is done. Now we'll go to our Jupyter notebook here and then we will further refresh it. Okay, and you can see all the options available here. When I said that it makes life easier, if you just type here hide. Okay, so hide the header, hide input all, everything whatever you want to achieve. Like if I open any Jupyter notebook, just say okay, I'm opening this header is there, right? I don't want this header. Okay, then this will using this NB extension we can hide this, even the entire header, this full section of this full section. Okay, this full section you can hide it. So that I will show you in my next video. And also in this video we have installed this NB extension, right? We have installed the NB extension, but how do we uninstall it? So if you want to uninstall, see I have shown you how to install that. So let's see how to uninstall the NB extension. So first you need to follow step by step. So most of our plugins, the content of plugin is gone, and then finally you also need to run this. If you execute this further, okay, now even after this after running this uninstallation, this NB extension tab is still there. So what we need to do, we need to just execute this disable. Okay, we need to execute that command. So we'll go here and we will refresh it. You can see that NB extension tab is gone. One more thing I want to say is, in case like what I have done here, I have simply taken this installation command, run this installation command, and after this, I have to run this additional command. In both the cases, once you are installing it and then run it, and even after you are uninstalling it, you need to run it. This is the GitHub repository which I have referred for this video. So thanks a lot for watching the session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.